Teamviewer installation on a Windows computer. In this video, we will show you how to install Teamviewer in your Windows computer. The procedures are simple and you should not experience any problem during the process. First, open your browser. In my case, Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type teamviewer.com. Hit enter. This should take you to Teamviewer's website. From their homepage, we can see that Teamviewer is a remote access software that will enable us to control, manage, monitor and repair computer from anywhere, anytime. There are some options here, but we are just concerned in this button, download for free. Click it. A new page will open that will tell you that your download will start momentarily. You will see here at the bottom left corner of the browser the progress of your download. Once the download is finished, click Open File. The Teamviewer setup window will open. Leave the selection to the default installation. Then click Accept. Teamviewer will now be installed. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation process is completed, you will be asked if you want to try Teamviewer commercially. Choose the option. No, I only need Teamviewer for personal use. Congratulations! Teamviewer is now installed in your Windows computer. What you need to take note is this ID. This is what the person who will remotely access your computer needs. And for added security is the password. This password changes every time that your computer restarts. Or if you want to, you can check this refresh button to the right of the password, then choose the option Create New Random Password. This offers great security for you. Even if people know your Teamviewer ID, they still need to know the current password to connect. Now let us close Teamviewer, and I will show you where to find it in your computer. The blue and white icon on your desktop is your Teamviewer. Double-click it and Teamviewer shall open. However, if it does not show there, the easiest way to open it is to use the search bar beside the Windows icon. Type Teamviewer and the app icon will be shown to you at the top. Click it and a Teamviewer will open. That's it. Congratulations, and always remember to be safe while browsing the internet.